How to easily send BNB to Coinbase Wallet. Binance Coin, BNB, is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance platform, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC-20 token, BNB has since migrated to Binance-owned blockchain, the Binance Chain, and plays a central role in powering the Binance ecosystem. So how to easily send BNB to Coinbase? Download and set up Coinbase Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device or install the browser extension. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Navigate to the Receive section, open your Coinbase Wallet and locate the Receive section. This area allows you to select which cryptocurrency you wish to receive into your wallet. Next is to select Binance Coin, BNB in the Receive section, search for Binance Coin, BNB, or select it from the list of available cryptocurrencies. If BNB does not appear, ensure you are looking under the correct network, Binance Chain for BEP, 2 BNB or Binance Smart Chain for BEP, 20 BNB. But, since I'm having a hard time by not having the physical app for this video, so instead I'll show it to you using images of the steps so you don't get lost while watching this and also keeping a track on what you're supposed to do. As for the next step, share your BNB address. To receive BNB in your Coinbase wallet, share your wallet address or QR code with the sender. If you're transferring BNB from another wallet you own, use this address to initiate the transfer. And then, confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. The time needed can vary based on network activity and transaction fees. Next is manage your Binance Coin, BNB. Once the transaction is confirmed, the BNB will appear in your Coinbase wallet. You can now manage your BNB by sending it to others, using it for transactions, or holding it as an investment. And that's all of it. Once again, I hope this been helpful to you somehow, and if yes, please like and subscribe if you don't mind, comment your opinion and experience about this, but that was it. Thank you.